Some components are so delicate and precise that traditional measurement methods could affect the measurement accuracy. The only way to ensure the accuracy is to measure using non-contact devices. These use accurate and repeatable measurement without compromising the component. The software is based on the industry-known Fusion software, which enables the operator to produce a fully dimensional drawing of a measurement part in minutes. Measurement tolerances are displayed in either green or red as an instant pass or fail visual guide for the operator. Both the 2D and the 3D range of measurements include advanced edge detection, where hundreds of data points that calculate standard geometric features can be taken in an instant. Lighting is critical for edge detection. The programmable LED lighting heads allow the user to define various segment patterns, ensuring the best lighting to illuminate difficult edges. Programming of lighting can be saved and easily repeated where needed, saving time whilst providing excellent images. Beatty Vision systems use a combination of practical hardware, bespoke software, and programmable lighting. This mixture produces fast and accurate reports with minimal operator influence. Continuity in procedure gives consistently better results.
Thank you.